Hey guys, so I'm back and today is a very exciting day. As you can see here, we have the one that's in red and blue and we have the black and white edition of the new OLED model. So pretty much simple video. We're just gonna do an unboxing real quick and just go from there. And since this one's the new color, we're gonna do the black and white one here. There's nothing really too interesting on the box, just showing the new kickstand and everything like that, but nothing really too exciting. And right at the top is the new Switch and the new Joy-Cons, which these Joy-Cons are exactly the same as the old ones. Like really exactly the same. Here's the new model. Take a look at this real quick. Oh wow, that actually looks pretty nice. With very little bezel going around it. And so then we have the Joy-Cons here. Like I said, you can even use these Joy-Cons on the old Switch. There's really nothing different between them. So these are the new Joy-Cons in black and white. Take that off here. We have obviously the HDMI cord. You have the power brick for your dock. The Joy-Con grip. One of these, which we have a few of these already around the house. You have these, I don't know what these exact names are that you slide on the Joy-Cons. I don't know what they call these things. Do you know what they call these things?
Those might,
they go on the side of the Joy-Cons. I don't know. Whatever you slide them on, so you can put it around your wrist.
It's not nunchucks, is it?
No, that was the old Joy-Con. Or that was the old Wii. They call them nunchucks or whatever. But anyway, so you can put it around your wrist. That's what it's for. And then the new dock, which is one of the few things that's new with this. And this one actually is nice. But it made it hard to take out. So this is pretty much the new dock. It actually, you can use the old Switch on this as well. Here's the back. This back fully comes off already. Let me see. You feel like you break it, but it actually fully pops off. And so here on the new dock, they got rid of one of the USB ports on here. Because now they have an Ethernet port, so you can have a LAN connection. You have your HDMI and then power. But this dock has the same power. You're not going to get any 4K or anything like that. But let's go ahead and just dock this real quick. And that's the new Switch. And then obviously the back. And I'm going to compare it with the old one. You can easily tell this is the old Switch with a lot more bezels going around it versus the new one that has significantly smaller bezels. And that's what it'll look like when you have it docked. I'm going to go ahead and quickly open up the other one real quick and then we'll power them on and take a look at it. And this one we're going to just fly through it because it's pretty much the exact same thing. This is the red and blue one. Exact same thing. But it just comes in the red and blue colors. Though this doesn't even look red. What would you say this color is? I know it's supposed to be red, it just doesn't really look red.
It look more like neon pink or neon red.
Yeah, something, I guess, yeah. Or neon color. So this is what the Switch looks like. So these are actually the colors that the first Switch, the very first Switch came out with. It came out in this color. So I guess it's kind of like going back to that look. And then if you get this version of the Switch, you're gonna get a different color dock. You will get it's all black. Everything else on the inside is the same color and everything inside the box, but the dock is the only thing that's different. So this is what the dock looks like. Then we dock this one, and it looks like this. So these are pretty much both of the new model of the Switches in both colors that they actually come in. And then real quick, take them, undock them. So you can pretty much get an idea of which color you may want. Looks like. And then obviously on the Switch, it has its new kickstand in the back and it goes all the way back. So if you want to play like that, you can. Though, I don't know who plays like that. I probably wouldn't. I've never used the old kickstand, but anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and boot these up and see what it looks like and try to compare it, like I said, with the old Nintendo Switch versus the new Nintendo Switch. Just a quick comparison of what it looks like and everything. Alright guys, so I'm back and I just got done setting up the Switch and it took a while to set up this new Switch. Like a very long time actually. But I have to say from first impressions, I actually really like this one. The screen is 1,000 times nicer, obviously, and it's just kind of cool looking at how big it is. Everything's just more crisp and clear. I really like it. I don't know how well this is going to show up on camera, but here are the two switches here. Obviously, this is the old one. This is the new one. And like I said, this one just looks so much better. So I'm going to obviously play it. I'm going to try it out, see how it is. You know, after I get a feel for it, I'm gonna pretty much do a review. This Switch is mostly for people that play more in handheld because once you dock it, it's exactly like the old Switch. But I'm just gonna go ahead and just see how it is and possibly upload a review if you guys are interested in that. So make sure that you stay tuned to this channel because yeah, we're gonna have more Switch content soon. All right, catch you guys in the next one. See ya.